So in today's video, I will show you how I solved the problem where your credentials are expired on EA.com. So as you can see, I've put my email and my password in, and if I click on sign in, what you'll see is your credentials are incorrect or have expired. So to get around this and to solve this, what we can do is click on reset your password, and then you want to enter in your email. Once you have entered in your email, you will want to do the verification text right here. Now once you've entered in the verification text, click on next, and then you will then be able to click on send code. What you need to do now is head over to your Gmail and get the code that EA have sent you. So I've now entered in the code, I can click on next, and then once you do this, you want to reset your password, so make sure you enter in a password into this box right here. So as you can see, it does now say my password has been successfully changed. I can now click on sign in. Now once you have entered in your new password, just simply click on the sign in button, and then once you click on the sign in button, accept the user agreement. And then as you can see, what we need to do now is verify our identity just to get into our account. Once you have done this, click on sign in. And then once we click on sign in, as you'll notice, we have now been successfully signed in to our account, and we have now fixed the problem with expired credentials. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix the expired credentials problem. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.